Okay, let's talk about this Wavytalk blow dryer. This is my opinion. So this took me about a minute, maybe maybe 2 to 3 minutes, I would say. It's just a small piece. I guess you could say it's half of the bottom. Anyways, point is that I just got it the other day. This is my first time trying it. So I washed my hair and I did it. Blow dry, amazing. Amazing blow dryer. Negative part about it, this right here comes off very easily. So if the company would make this a little bit stronger to stay on, that would be wonderful, because then I would be so loving this. But I did have a few times where I was blow drying with this. My hair is not as like tough, so it should have just went through with no problem, which it did. The only problem was that this kept coming off. So this comes off super easy, which is kind of disappointing, because it's such a great blow dryer, but I like using this instead of the other piece that it comes with, because then you have to use a brush and blah, 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 when I like to do it this way because it's a lot quicker. So yeah, that's Wavytalk for you. Later on, I will be using the flat iron hot tools, which is pretty supposedly good. So we'll see. But that's my review on the Wavytalk blow dryer. Again, it heats up really good. Blow dries really good. But again, this piece comes off super easy. See? And I didn't even have to do much to take it off. See? Comes off super easy. Maybe if it was a little bit tougher to come off, kind of like a child-proof type of thing, it would be a fantastic blow dryer, if that says anything.
Today I'm going to be doing a review for you on the Wavytalk hair dryer. I personally have very long, extremely thick, and naturally curly hair that I often like to straighten, and so it can take a long time for my hair to dry. I recently invested in the Wavytalk because I wanted a more lightweight hair dryer that would still not take 30 minutes to actually get my hair dry, and so I decided to give the Wavytalk a try, and I have not regretted this investment. For the price, it has been absolutely wonderful. I've actually purchased 2 of these. I have a daughter in college who's now using one as well. She did hers in the rose gold color, and it's beautiful. But as you can see, it's just very small, compact, easily packs up. This makes it great for packing on vacations or trips to take with me, but just very lightweight here. Just very pretty. You've got the multiple buttons here for your different speeds and your different temperature settings, and also the cool button there. And then with this, it's going to come 3 attachments. So you're going to have the attached comb, you're going to have the curly hair diffuser that attaches, as well as this piece here, which I use often when I need to straighten my hair, just to keep the blow dryer from making my hair wild and sending it everywhere. And so I use that attachment the most, but when I do want to stick with my natural curl and the wave, then I can add this diffuser, and then of course as well as the comb out. So it's going to come with all 3 of these, and then like I said, you're going to get the hair dryer in the color of your choosing. The white is very pretty, and the rose gold, I can say, is a very beautiful color too. So you will not regret the purchase, and give it a try. Definitely worth the money.
the Wavytalk blow dryer, diffuser, comb attachment, and we've got the dryer in purple with a nice directional attachment. Okay, so you've got the cool shot button here. You've got 2 settings, so off, on, and then max power. Now the reason why I got this was because I was considering another brand, and for it to be about the same size, which is like a travel size, this one actually had a full power motor. So I'm going to be testing out this comb attachment. Ready? I'm ready. What is that? 2-0. So hair journey is starting at 20 inches. We'll see where we are in a year, or 6 months. We'll come back and check in 6 months.
It seems like the dryer would snap in place and just stay here. There's a tiny, tiny click, but it just moves. So it takes nothing to do that. And when you're blow drying your hair, it just keeps doing that. And so you have to, well, I have to keep doing this. So I'm not sure if mine is defective or if that's how it's supposed to be, but it makes it difficult to do your hair.